guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, my name is Linn. I'm glad you stopped by. So in this video, I'm gonna be sharing all my favorite products with you guys, my holy grail products that I have been using for the past months. I have some very good products here and I really recommend you to check these out for yourself. I also want to know what your favorite products are, so be sure to leave a comment down below. Let me know all about your favorites, why you love them, why they work, and so on. I would love to get my hands on some new great products. And without further ado, if you enjoy this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up. And if you're new and you haven't subscribed, it's free. I really hope you decide to join the fam by hitting the subscribe button. Be sure to ring the bell and leave a comment down below. Write whatever you want for a chance to get featured in my next video. If you want to know what my favorite products are at the moment, then please keep watching. So let's start out with primers, and I actually have two products in this category that I really wanted to mention because they are both great products. So the first one that I have been loving is the Guerlain Lore Primer, and this is a radiance concentrate makeup base, and it actually contains real gold as well. And let me tell you, a little bit of this product goes a long way. So as you can see, I still have a lot left in this container. I have been using this pretty much every single time I'm doing my makeup, and this lasts so long and it does wonder to the skin. So the times when I use this, my foundation glides on so smoothly, my skin looks so good. So I really recommend you to check this out. Get a sample of it or whatever, just try this out because it's so good. And the other primer product that I wanted to mention are the Smashbox primer water, and I have been running through 4 of these ones. I always get the little travel size because I love to bring this with me when I'm traveling, because it is so easy to just spray this on your face and then you're ready, you're primed, and you can just add on your foundation. I love it. I love that you can get it in a travel size as well, because that allows you to try it out for yourself before you actually commit and get the bigger bottle of this. But this is so good, you guys. I just spray it on my face, add on foundation, I'm ready to go, and it lasts all day. So definitely 2 products that I really have been loving and I really recommend you to check out. So the foundation that I have been loving for the past months are the Too Faced Born This Way medium to full coverage foundation. So I have the shade Natural Beige in this, and I actually can't believe it took me all this time to actually try it out. Like, I am obsessed with this. And the good thing about this as well is that it is oil free. So if you are struggling with oily skin or you have combination skin, this will work for you as well. My skin after pregnancy has gotten a lot drier, so now I have more like a normal skin type, and this works great on me as well. And I actually am going to use this on my wedding day because I love it so much, and that is a bold statement for me as a foundation lover. I love to try out new foundations, so I love to use this alone, but sometimes I also mix it in with the Armani Luminous Silk foundation, which is also a huge favorite of mine. I absolutely love this, and I have this in the shade number 3, and these two mixed together, you get that perfect luminous effect as well as a long-lasting makeup that lasts all day. So I would say this has a better coverage compared to this one. I would say this is a medium coverage, but these two mixed together or alone are gorgeous on the skin, and I just love them. So definitely 2 products that I would recommend you to check out. Then for concealers, I also have 2 favorite products that I wanted to mention. The first one are the Nars Soft Matte Complete Concealer in the shade Chantilly. So Chantilly and Vanilla are my favorite shades from the Nars range when I am buying concealers, and I actually have been loving the Radiance Creamy Concealer for so many years, but I decided to try this out, and let me tell you, this covers everything. This is so good. So this doesn't dry out my under eye area, and it looks beautiful, and once you go over this with a sponge, it just glides into the skin and it looks beautiful. So definitely a high-end concealer that I have been loving. And when it comes to drugstore concealer, my favorite at the moment are the L'Oreal Infallible More Than Concealer. So this is actually very huge, and as you can see, this really reminds me of the Shape Tape applicator as well. It's very big, it's easy to just take one swipe under each eye and you're ready to go. So I have this in the shade Oatmeal, and let me tell you, this can sometimes be a little bit drying. It really holds on to the skin, and where you apply it, it will stay all day. Like, this will not go anywhere. If you are struggling with dry under eyes, I will probably not recommend this, but if you have normal under eyes and you don't have a problem with very dry patches, this will be great for you, and it's not that expensive either. So I love a good drugstore favorite, so this is definitely one to check out if you need a new concealer and you want to try out something new. So when it comes to setting powders, I really have to give this one to Sensai, the translucent loose powder. I love this. Like, if you apply this on your face, your makeup won't go anywhere. Like, this is so great. So this really makes your makeup stay on, and as you can see, the container is huge. So even if this is a higher end product and it actually is a little bit more expensive than other brands, I really recommend this because you get a lot in this packaging and it will last you over a year. I would say this will last you so long. The only thing I have noticed is when my under eyes are a little bit drier, it can crack a little bit and make your under eyes look even drier. Other than that, if I put it in my forehead, chin, and rest of the face, the makeup looks so gorgeous. It stays on all day. This is just a huge favorite, and I actually have been using this for over a year. I would definitely recommend this to all my combination skin girls. The days when I have problems with an oily nose or an oily chin, this will not make me oily. Love this. Huge favorite. Can't recommend this enough. Another powder that I really wanted to mention, because this, you guys, if you are looking for that luminous, gorgeous looking skin, this is the powder to go with. And this is the Hourglass Ambient Lighting Powder in Luminous Light. So this is a baked powder, as you can see, and I use this pretty much every single time I'm doing my makeup, especially on my under eyes. So this powder makes my under eyes look more luminous. It takes away the dryness if I have applied a powder that is a little bit too dry. I just apply a little bit of this one, and I'm wearing this today. I'm not sure if you can see the glow that it actually gives, but it gives you that gorgeous natural shine from within, and your skin just looks beautiful. And I have been using this pretty much every single time I'm doing my makeup for the past year, and I still have a lot left. So it would take me a very long time to hit pan on this, which is great because it is a little bit more expensive. It is a high-end brand, but definitely a favorite product, and I think this will look so beautiful on my wedding day to give that natural luminosity back to the skin. So definitely a powder that I couldn't recommend enough. And when it comes to highlighters, I actually have two, and I like to mix these two together. This has been my favorite ride or die combination for so long. Absolutely a great combination because this really gives you that intense highlight, and this gives you that more natural luminous highlight on top. And the MAC Mineral Skin Finish really makes this highlighter pop even more. So the first products are the Becca Shimmering Skin Perfector, and this is of course the Champagne Pop. I have been loving this since it got out for the first time, and this is a perfect highlighter by itself. I would buy this until the day I die. I will always have a backup in my collection, and that is pretty much how much I actually love this. And the other highlighter that I have been loving lately are the MAC Mineral Skin Finish in Soft and Gentle. But this just gives you that gorgeous natural highlighter, and even if this is a little bit more intense, once you add this on top, you just glow from within. And I love this. A perfect combination. So of course you can wear either one of these. You don't have to have them both. If you have these at home, try to mix them together. It will look beautiful, and you get so many compliments on your highlights. So this one is not as intense, so I would recommend this for those of you who just want a natural, a little bit of a highlight going on, and a very natural looking highlighter. And this one for those of you who really wants to take it all out there. Then I also wanted to mention my new brow combination that I have been loving. I also have two brow products that I feel you need to know about. These are amazing products. So the first one are the Dior Show Brow Styler. I have the shade dark brown, but as you can see, I am actually wearing it today as well. And if you apply it with a very light hand and you are using the spoolie over it to kind of blend everything out, it will not look too dark. So the reason why I have the dark brown is because this is the most cool tone. So the blonde one they have is a little bit too orange. It has a yellow undertone, so therefore I really enjoy this. And this is so easy to apply, and this lasts all day. It doesn't smudge. And the other brow products that I like to top this with is the Dior Show Bold Brow Mascara, and this I have in the shade number 2. So this is the darker darker shade, and it has a very little applicator right here, and it's so easy to just go over your brows. And this is actually waterproof as well, so if you want just a natural bushy brow with some color, I would recommend this by itself because it looks gorgeous if you're going to the beach and you want to swim and stuff. This lasts all day, and these two together as well is a beautiful combination, so that is what I have been using on my brows lately. Then for mascara, I have been loving the Lancome Grandiose mascara, and this is a fave, you guys. Once you apply this, your lashes get so volumized and it actually looks a lot longer. Like, I am a false lash person, so I feel so weird when I'm not wearing lashes. So with this guy, I can actually go out and about and I still feel like I don't have to apply lashes, which is a huge thing for me. So definitely a great mascara. And as you can see, the applicator and the wand is a little bit curvy because it is easier to get everywhere with this one. So I tried this out for the first time in February, and this is actually my second one. I love it so much, and I am just so impressed by this. Really a great mascara if you are on the hunt for a new high-end mascara. Then I also quick wanted to mention my new favorite setting spray, which is the YSL Makeup Setting Spray Hydrating one, and this is the one that I have been using every single time I'm doing my makeup. This also gives you that natural glow, but yet it actually makes your makeup stay on all day. Like, I have been obsessed with the Urban Decay All Nighter, the Morphe one, and the Glam Glow Glow Setter, but this is the best one I've actually tried when it comes to hydrating without making my skin oily, which is great. So definitely one to check out. Then I also have 4 lip products that I really wanted to mention very quick. So the first product that I have been loving are the Lancome lip gloss in the shade 202, and this is the one I'm wearing today. As you can see, it has that perfect like nudish pink color to it, so it's not too pink for my liking, and I love to apply this on all my liquid lipsticks. So it has a lot of pigment for being a lip gloss, and you can just add a lip liner and apply this as well, and your lips will look so gorgeous and juicy. And this is not too sticky, it's not too heavy for your lips. I love 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 this. Then I also have 3 liquid lipsticks. So the first one are the liquid matte lipstick from Dose of Color in the shade Bear With Me. So these two together are the combination I'm wearing today. I am obsessed with this combination. I think this will be my wedding combination as well. I haven't decided yet, but this is such a gorgeous color. I love 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 this, and that will probably be one of my favorite nude liquid lips for a very long time. The other one is also from Dose of Colors, and that is in the shade Lazy Daisy. This is a little bit more like a mauvish pinkish nude, or like a rusty pink, and I really really love this. So I have been mentioning this in my vlogs lately because I wear it pretty much every single time I'm wearing a nude. And last but not least are the Jeffree Star Cherry Wet. And let me tell you, this is the perfect red color. It has a blue undertone, which is what I really love about this color. So it has that perfect cherry red in my opinion, and I definitely love this to death. This is my favorite red of all times. Like, I've never seen any shade like this. Couldn't recommend this enough. So I like to mix the red one with the Sherry lip liner from MAC, and the other nudes I always mix with my Soar lip liner from MAC or the Celebrity by Jeffree Star. And this is just heaven for me. This is right up my alley. These are my favorite colors of all time. And what I love about the Jeffree Star as well is that it lasts all day. You may have to touch up in your inner parts of your lips throughout the day if you drink and eat a lot, but other than that, this will last you all day. You can eat, you can drink, you can talk, and it will still look beautiful. And last but not least, my favorite eyeshadow palette at the moment are the Anastasia Beverly Hills Riviera palette. This has been with me everywhere I've traveled for the past months, and this has also been with me in my purse if I'm going to the cabin. And this is what I feel is the perfect spring and summer palette because you have some very vibrant colors in here as well as some brown tones to keep it down a little bit and allows you to create a gorgeous brown easy natural day look as well. And that is all my favorite products for the moment, you guys. I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, be sure to give it a huge thumbs up. Also, if you're new and you haven't subscribed, be sure to hit the subscribe button right away, ring the bell, leave a comment down below for a chance to get featured in my next video. Also, let me know your favorite products in the comments. I would love to know. I would love to grab some of them, try it out for myself, and especially drugstore products, because I will do a full face of drugstore products very soon, but I just need to get some more products. So hopefully you can recommend me some of your favorites in the comments. So this week's shoutouts goes to Joe_V80. She writes, love the clothes, love the makeup, love the body care. I can't wait to see what you got planned for hair and makeup for the wedding. XO. Thank you so much for your sweet comment, and thank you for being a part of the fam. I really appreciate every single one of you guys. I love you, and without further ado, I will see you in my next video. Bye guys. Mwah.